Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today, today's date is 19th May 2022, and today's our topic is multi-threading in Java. First of all, multi-threading in Java, it is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of uh, processing. And multiprocessing and multi-threading both are used to achieve multitasking. However, uh, we use multi-threading than multiprocessing because threads use a shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory area. Process so it saves memory and context switching between the threads takes less time than process. Java multithreading is mostly used in games and animations, etc. Advantages of a Java multithreading: it doesn't block the user because threads are independent, and you can perform multiple operations at the same time, and you can perform many operations together, so it saves time. And threads are independent, so it doesn't affect other thread. And if an exception occurs in a single thread, and next one, it is multitasking. Multitasking is a process of executing multiple tasks simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU, and multitasking can be achieved into two ways: process based multitasking and thread based multitasking. In this process based multitasking, in which each process has an address in memory. In other words, each process have and cost of communication between the process is high. Switching from one process to another, it requires some time for saving and loading the register's memory map, updating lists. And second one, it is thread based multitasking. In this, a thread shares the same address space, and a thread is a lightweight. It and cost of communication between the thread is low. And what is thread in Java? A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of a processing. It is a separate path of execution. Threads are independent, and if there occurs an exception in one thread, it doesn't affect other thread. It uses a shared memory area, and the thread is executed inside the process. There is a context switching between the threads. There can be multiple processes inside the operating system, and the one process can have multiple threads. And Java thread classes. In this, Java provides thread class to achieve a thread programming, and thread class provides constructor and methods to create and perform operations on a thread. And thread class extends object classes, and it implements runnable interface. And next, it is a modifier and type and the methods and the description. First one, method modifier, it is a void, and its method is its start, and description, it is used to start the execution of the thread. Next one, it is void run. It is used to an action for a thread. And third one, it is static void sleep method. It sleeps a thread for a specified amount of a time. And static thread,